Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruchi Pundora. So in this video we are going to talk about string interpolation. So first we should understand what interpolation is. So interpolation is a one-way data binding technique. It falls under the category of one-way data binding. Why it falls under the category of one-way data binding? Because we are sending the data from one file to another, only one single way. So let me tell you the definition of interpolation. Interpolation is a way to display dynamic data from your TypeScript file inside your HTML using double curly braces. So now we know the flow. We are sending the data from TypeScript file to HTML file. And how do we do it? Let's see. So we are sending our data from TypeScript file. It means our data is present in TypeScript file. So let's create some data. Let's take a variable name. My name is Ruchi, so I'm typing Ruchi. Now I want to send this data, my name, to the view. So let's go to the HTML file. For that to happen, I need to use double curly braces, and inside the double curly braces I have to write my expression. Here the expression is variable name. Now if you go to your browser where you have opened the port 4200, you can see my name is printed. The data traveled from TypeScript file to the HTML file. Now we know the data traveled from TypeScript file to the view. But how? Now we will understand the how part. When we build our application, Angular sees this curly braces. When it sees curly braces, it checks what is written inside the curly braces. It sees the name variable. It goes to the component TypeScript file. Current component is app component. It will go to the app components TypeScript file and it will look for the name expression. Now it sees that we have a name variable and its current value is Ruchi. What it does next, it converts the value to a string. Currently the name is already in a string. And it goes back to the HTML file and replace the whole thing with the current value. That is Ruchi. That's why you see only Ruchi on UI. It is that easy. So that is how data flow works in this string interpolation. We can also do some minor things inside the curly braces as well. For example, I can make the name in uppercase. So if you go to the UI, my name will be in uppercase. Your name will be in uppercase. And we can also do some small calculations as well. For example, I can do 2 plus 7. Now we will go to the UI. You can see 9. What we shouldn't or can't do inside the curly braces is write heavy logic. See, we have different ways of data binding depending upon the use case. In a real life application, I can use this interpolation if, let's say, I have fetched the username from database. Then I can use this interpolation and print the username to show or display on UI. So now we know how interpolation works. I hope you guys understood it. If you have any questions, ask me in the chat. Now I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.